Prevent troublesome drain line backups and odors with Ecolution Drain Line Maintainer. Ecolution Drain Line Maintainer is a powerful blend of bacillus bacteria that quickly and effectively digest fats, oils, and grease. Use Ecolution Drain Line Maintainer in grease traps, interceptors, lift stations, and any other application where drain blockages and odors are a concern. Ecolution Drain Line Maintainer meets most sewer system regulations. It's composed of 100% biologically active cultures and contains no solvents, no emulsifiers, and no enzymes. Scientific studies by the Consumer Specialty Products Association revealed more than a 50% reduction in soybean oil after a one-time dose of Ecolution Drain Line Maintainer. This level of fog reduction outperforms other biological products on the market. For best results, use Ecolution Drain Line Maintainer as part of State's 24/7 automatic drain treatment program. Ecolution Drain Line Maintainer, another great solution from State Industrial Products, caring for work environments since 1911.